OK, today, let me show you some new ways that we're making Lens more helpful to you. Say you're at a restaurant trying to figure out what to order. Instead of going from the menu to different apps on the phone and back to the menu and so on, you can simply point your camera. Lens automatically highlights the popular dishes at this restaurant right on the menu. And of course, if you want to know more, you can tap on any dish on the menu, and you can see what it looks like, again, at the restaurant. And of course, check out what other people are saying about it on Google Maps. By the way, when you're done eating, Lens can help pay for your meal. Not so fast. It's not picking up your tab, but it can calculate the tip and even split the total. Again, just by pointing your camera at the receipt, and voila. So you saw how we connected the menu with information from Google Maps. But we're starting to think of other ways that we can connect helpful digital information with the things in the physical world. So I'm going to give you just one example. So you're flipping through a Bon Appetit magazine, and you see a recipe you like. Soon, you can point your camera at the recipe and see the page come alive, showing you how to make the dish. We're starting to work with more partners, like museums, magazine publishers, and retailers, to bring unique visual experiences like this. Take this sign in English next to an ATM. Now, for someone who does not understand the language and cannot read the words, this is important information that they're not getting access to. And we think that the camera can help here. So let me show you how. So directly from the Google search bar, you can use Lens, open it, point it at the sign, to hear the text read out aloud to you.
Information for card holders. All customers using old proprietary magnetic stripe cards should be advised.
What is nice here is that it is highlighting the words as they're spoken. That way, even if you can't read the language well, you can follow along and you understand the full context of what you see. You can also translate it into your own language, like this. Notice that the translated text is overlaid right on top of the original sign. You know, it almost feels like the sign was written in your own language to start with. And again, you can hit listen and hear the words read out loud, this time in your own language.
Información para los titulares de la tarjeta.
What you're seeing here is text-to-speech, computer vision, the power of translate, and 20 years of language understanding from search, all coming together.